Guys, and welcome back to my channel, Brown Eyes on the Budget. And today I'm going to be doing a DIY. Okay, I've been looking for some little pictures to hang up on my wall during the fall season, and I had spotted one that I really did like, and I was like, I can make that myself. So here we are today, and I will insert that picture so you can see what I'm talking about. But today we're going to make this right here, this little picture, open picture frame with the beautiful galvanized wording going across it. And I did one with harvest right here. So if y'all interested in seeing how I made this, then y'all stay tuned. Okay, you guys, what you're going to need for this DIY is some paint of your choice. I'm using the Waverly chalk paint. I have moss and ivory right here, you guys. And yeah, I got the little mini bottles for $1.67. You're also going to need the metal galvanized phrases from Dollar Tree, the metal words from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some picture frames. I was blessed to have these on hand. I was supposed to use these a long time ago, you guys, but I didn't, so now's the perfect chance. You'll need picture frames. You're also going to need a paintbrush. You're also going to need some glue sticks and a glue gun for this DIY. So let's get going. Okay, you guys, like I said, this is the first one that I made right here that says harvest. All right, so let's get started. What you're going to do is you're going to take your picture frame right here and you're going to open it up in the back. Whew, this thing is be hard sometimes. Goodness gracious. Let's get it going. Come on, Candy. Okay, so gonna take it off. Take the backing off of it carefully because you might want to use it again. And you're going to take out everything that is in the frame, okay? Because we're making an open frame, you guys. All right, so after you have done that, it should look like this, open, okay? So you're going to get your paint, whichever color you choose. I am going to use the ivory now because I just used the moss. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, you guys. And y'all, I have never used chalk paint before in my life, so this is my first time, and this is why we have a mini bottle here, so I won't be making no mess like I am now. All right, it'll be all right. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna get to painting this little sign right here, you guys. And we're just going to paint it, that paint on there. And usually I do know chalk paint takes like 1 to 2 hours depending how much you put on it, how much paint you put on whatever you're painting. And then you paint again after it's dried. Alright, but yeah guys, I had seen it and I had been wanting one of the little picture frames with the galvanized words on them. I was like, I ain't finna pay that much either. I think some of them like start at $6 and go up. And even that, no, because I can make it. And here we are making it. Let me see. I spent $1.67 on the paint. And I already had the letters from my last haul. And I already had these. So like three something to make this. Alright, you guys, I'm going to finish painting this little photo frame right now, and then I will come back after it is complete and show you the next steps. You guys, my photo frame is dry, so I decided to use my thankful word, and it's really your choice if you want to like put it in a diagonal style or if you just want to put it straight across. And I think on this one I'm going to put straight across and hot glue it down. So let me get my glue gun, you guys. Okay, I'm just going to see where I want to put it at, and I'm going to put like little tiny drops of glue Y'all, I'm having so much fun doing this little galvanized DIY. I gotta get back into my DIYs. Lord have mercy. Alright, so I got that end down. So I'm gonna come over here and put a little tab of glue where I want it. It should be right there. Like that. I don't really worry about the little excess glue because I can peel that off. Alright, so make sure that's down. And you can use hot, I meant to mention, you can use hot glue or you can use E6000, whatever kind of glue you want to use. But I'm using my hot glue gun because I couldn't find my E6000. Alright, now this is how my thankful look right here. Okay, so I'm finished with that one. Now, I couldn't really decide if I wanted to do my moss and my ivory and then like just the white, or if I want to go moss, ivory, and then moss again. So I think what I'm going to do is do another moss one, just because, you know, the ivory and this white kind of like it might kind of clash and everything. So I'm probably going to do another moss one, you guys. So I will be back in a minute with the finished products and we will go from there. See you in a minute. Okay, you guys, I decided to put my little picture frames out here in the foyer where I recently decorated because I needed something to fill this space up out here. So yeah, I think these came out very nice, you guys, and they do match my decor that's out here. So yeah, you got your harvest, your welcome, and thankful. I am really loving that. And this whole DIY cost like $3 and something, you guys, because I already had my words and my frames. So yeah, I had fun making these. My first DIY in a while, you guys. So I am very happy. Now, what I will say, okay, the back of the frames, I'll just put a little nail up there and nailed it to hold it. But what I am going to do for a little bit more sturdiness is tie like a little piece of twine on the back and hang it on the nail. Okay, that will be a little bit more sturdier. So that's what I am going to do. Okay, instead of just putting them up there with the little nail. So yeah, I will be putting my twine on there. But yeah, I really do love this, and in some places it kind of looks like the paint has rubbed off, which I really do love that look, because a lot of things that you do see, as well as far as farmhouse stuff, it looks like that old rustic look and everything. So I'm very happy about how everything turned out. Yep. So I'm going to give y'all a full look, and then I'm getting ready to get up off of here. You guys, thank y'all for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. With that being said, have a happy Friday and a blessed weekend. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.